Dios, cómo ilumina todo, chaval. Es súper bonito, Pero sí, es una putada por los perros y eso, macho. Como 3000 recopilación. Supongo que esta es la que habrá tirado MrBeast, ¿no? A ver, ¿dónde está el vídeo de MrBeast? Aquí. ¿Tendrá subtítulos en Spanish? Inglés generados automáticamente. MrBeast que tiene un vídeo de 60 millones. Tradúcelo, cabrón. Tradúcelo, cabrón. Este es el fuego artificial más caro del mundo y me costó más de una...
Most expensive firework in the entire world, and it cost me over $160,000.
160.000 pavos. What the fuck?
A $10,000 one. And this big behemoth right here is a $40,000 firework. And everything here, we spent over $600,000 on this video and
600.000 pavos en un vídeo. Este tío está loco,
It costs $1.
Este tío está loco.
Go watch it.
It's lighting. That was kind of lame.
Here's a $10 firework. Let's see if it's better.
Give me.
Chandler got so scared. Here's a $50 firework. We're gonna go up to 200
Me parece una caja de cartas de
Go.
Pokémon, tío. Estoy obsesionado ya.
I can't wait till you see the $200,000 firework. I don't know why I'm holding up a 7.
That was a little step up from last time. I like it.
Chris just had a baby, as you see here. It's really adorable, good for him. Hence why he's not here today. Here's the $375 firework. You're Chris for the day. Go light it. Someone give me a lighter. This is $375.
Va a ir escalando, ¿no? Poco a poco. $1, no sé qué. Hasta llegar de 160.000.
It's so colorful!
Wow.
Dios.
This is spectacular. How is it going to get better than that?
I got a $1,000 firework with your name on it.
My name?
Let's go get it. $1,000.
$1000.
Bada bang, ka-chow. Those 9 boxes combined equal $1,000.
Go!
Ah, vale, las 4 cajas, o sea, las 9 cajas de esta es $1000, no 9000. La verdad es que quiero ver el tochomocho, Dios.
Cool stuff. We're just getting started. What's a 4th of July?
¿Eso que eran drones?
No way.
¿Eso eran drones?
What does that say?
Oh my God.
Oh, qué guapo.
What does that say?
Oh my God.
Burger. Those hundreds of drones currently spell burger.
Cientos de
in the sky.
drones.
You can see that a mile away. What do you want the drone to? 120 sparklers and drew our logo.
Woo!
Carl.
Venga, venga, MrBeast, dámelo ya, papi. Dámelo ya, papi.
Popcorn.
Give me. Give me. Wow.
Press fire. You are gonna launch 4,000 shells.
4000 proyectiles al mismo tiempo. What the fuck? 4000 al...
3, 2,
Va a explotar todo.
1, fire!
¡Dios! ¿Esos son 4000?
That
son
was the
4,000.
coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Te pinta de ser 100 o algo así, ¿no?
Guys, that
No
was
se
dope.
crasheó.
I'm not gonna lie. That was dope.
That
I
was
pushed the
dope.
button. I mean,
¿Te imaginas que en la vida real también se crasheara? En plan, que tuvieras bajones de FPS cuando pasan cosas
Things
así.
are about to get
Como el juego,
crazy. This is a $40,000 firework. I could have bought a car. I could have put a down payment on a house. I could have given Chandler 40 grand.
O podrías haberte comprado una caja de Pokémon con $40.000.
Or I could have bought 10,000 copies of Shrek, but I did none of that, and I bought a $40,000
10,000 copias
firework.
de ese.
This $40,000 firework is literally gonna blow your socks off.
no pun intended.
It is over 9,000 shells. That $10,000 firework was 4,000 shells. This is going to be 4 times bigger. $40,000 is a lot of money. There's a lot of stuff we could do with this.
3, 2, 1, fire!
I thought I was gonna die.
That was crazy. That was the best thing.
I can't
Puto
hear.
miedo, chaval. Quita los títulos porque no tienen sentido, o sea, están mal hechos.
I know. Now that we did that, was that worth a Tesla Model 3?
Yes.
Speak for yourself.
That was $10,000 a second of flashing light. That's $40,000. Imagine $160,000.
It doesn't get better than that. We just
160.000. Ya, se viene el
Bro,
tocho
are you
mocho.
kidding me? Look
Se
at
viene el
this
tocho
one.
mocho.
I can fit inside that. Do you think I could fit my head in this one?
I wouldn't tell you.
Why not? It's not even on.
Ready to see the world's largest firework and get
Light up the sky! It's about to be freaking nuts.
We are about to launch the largest firework anyone in mankind's history has ever seen. Literally a world record. $160,000. 4,000 pounds.
Pero no es uno, son
15
muchos, ¿no?
feet deep holes. We literally needed a forklift. First things first. You have to turn
Han tenido que enterrarlos bajo tierra para...
and then turn the key.
Para...
Oh my
No sé para qué,
Let's
pero-
all press it together. Give it a countdown.
shaking.
5,
4,
3, 2, skip if you want.
Oh, there Oh, yo, you can hear that.
I felt it in my chest.
¿Ya está?
They're up there.
Ah, vale, vale. Ah, el anterior me ha parecido más impresionante, ¿eh? El anterior me ha parecido mucho más épico. El de 40.000. Imagina comparte dos de 40.000 y hace lo mismo, tío. Buah, se te va la puta olla.
But that's literally like a mile. What were your thoughts, Chandler?
On the second boom, I heard like this whoosh.
Qué guapo, tío. Qué guapo. Qué guapo, tío. Último vídeo, lo prometo, lo prometo.
La nit de Valverde es una noche donde se tiran fuegos artificiales toda la noche. Y acaba de toda la ciudad, por eso te recomiendo.
Ok, ya está.